Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back everyone. Today I do have a very exciting unboxing with you all. So if you want to see what's right in here, stick around. Welcome back everyone, welcome back family. If this is the first time that you're stumbling on this channel, my name is Chi and I concentrate on fashion, pretty much anything I want to talk about right here. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, become part of this little family. Let's grow together. And to my returning subbies, you all know I love you. Thank you guys for coming back. So today I do have an exciting unboxing. I'm so excited because this item is from a luxury brand. So if you see, as you can see, I do have the box right here. Like I said, it's from a luxurious company. It's from Teddy Blake. I've worked with Teddy Blake before, but I'm really excited about this one. This is from their new collection and I'm excited to share with you what I picked out from their website. I actually picked two items that I'm going to share with you. I don't want to talk too much. Let's just get right to what's in this box. Okay, this is the box right here. It does say Teddy Blake, New York, and I do love how sturdy this box is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Over here has the click right here, which I love. Box is made really well, luxurious detailing to their packaging. And once you open it up, it does have this writings right here. Which says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags, made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. How nice! Right here on the box, you also see some writings right here. And it says, discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. Okay, so in here is what I did receive from Teddy Blake. And we're just gonna open it up. So in here, I do have another box and we're gonna get into that in a few, but let's get into the main item, which is a handbag. Listen, I get it, the bag matches with my top. I intentionally did that. Look at this bag. Look at how beautiful this bag is. So beautiful. Very luxurious handbag. No gimmicks, okay? All right, let's talk about Teddy Blake, okay? Teddy Blake is a luxurious handbag company. They just recently added shoes to their website. Their handbags are made in Italy with a modern design and high quality. Teddy Blake offers a wide range of variety of handbags, and the quality of most of the handbags they do show on their website, and such as this one, is really comparable to the high-end luxury bags. Now that I've given a brief rundown of the luxury house, let's talk about this beautiful, gorgeous baby right here. This handbag is made in Italy, made out of Palmetto leather. Palmetto. I don't know. Y'all should let me. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Palmetto. Palmetto. leather. This handbag is made from a Palmetto leather, and it's specifically designed in the structure. It's an 11-inch handbag. So let's open the bag. Right here it does say Teddy Blake, and then you have this gold stoppers right here on both sides. To open this bag, you just have to turn the stoppers. So now that I've opened this part right here, I'm going to open it up from here and just open up the handbag. So this is the handbag opened up, and so this is the interior of the handbag. Inside here is the strap. So it comes with a strap. This is the strap. I'm actually not going to use the strap because I like top handle handbags. You can see the handbag is fully lined in with a microfiber lining, so it's more like a soft velvety material. Very soft, very soothing to touch, I must say. The velvety material is in a beigey color. Over here you do have a compartment right here where you can slot in things that you want. It does say Teddy Blake over here, and you do have a zipper right here. Okay, so if you want to put stuff over right there, you can. Like I said, basically it's a very beautiful constructed handbag that has a strap along with it. So if you want to attach the strap to the bag, you can. I personally would not be putting the strap in the handbag, so I'm going to carry the handbag like so, like this, opened like this. So I'm just going to lock this sections right here just to make it very clean and nice when I'm carrying it. So this is how I'm going to carry my handbag, open like this, because I feel like it's going to be a little bit of issue with me opening the bag just because of the way this top part is constructed. You can see how it covers. It's comfortable, but I don't want to go through the hassle of taking this off and locking it back up. So I'm just going to wear the handbag as this, like so. Just like this. It's perfect, it's lovely, it's everything that I want. So you can just put the bag like so, and it sits on whatever surface that you want. You don't have to be bothered about, oh, the bottom of the bag is going to be scratched up, because it does have the fits right here, 4 fits right here, also made of gold hardware. And this is the back of the handbag. It's so beautiful. It's a gorgeous orange color. These are the sides, and look at how the sides are really made fine, clean leather material. This is the other side, and yeah, I just love this handbag. Teddy Blake do have a lot of luxurious handbag on your website. I'm going to pop it up right here, like you can go through the entire website. They do have beautiful, when I mean beautiful, luxurious handbag at affordable price. You don't have to break the bank to look and feel luxurious, okay? And this is what Teddy Blake has done. They've come up with this luxurious handbags at an affordable price, and the bags are of high quality value, just like the ones we know out there, you know, like the high-end designer handbags. They're also made of the same fine, beautiful leather material. I'm going to pop off the information right here as well, so you can see all the beautiful, gorgeous styles and designs that they do have. I love small handbags, and this is perfect for me. Like, this is going to be all summer handbag. You can't tell me nothing, because this handbag is going everywhere. The spark of orange on any outfit, I mean literally on any outfit, is mind-blowing. Over here is another item I got from Teddy Blake, and yes, Teddy Blake has added a shoe collection to their website. I'm talking about luxurious shoes on your website. These shoes are made of really high quality. This is the box. Again, it says Teddy Blake, New York. I love the black box. This is how the box looks like. I did get a size 9 because my shoe sizes for open toes are size 9 or 8.5, but I like a little bit of comfort, so I got a size 9. So let's open this up. It's a dust bag, and the dust bag is made of good material. Okay, this is the dust bag with drawstrings right here. I'm gonna sit that down. And so we have the shoes in here. These are the gorgeous heels right here, guys. Look at the shoes. OMG, this is so beautiful. This shoe is in the color lilac. It does have this strings right here that you can tie around your ankle. This is made of like a fine suede fabric material. This is the shoe right here. Beautiful, gorgeous shoes. And these are like 4 inches high. These at the back as well. I love these babies right here. These are the second right here. I love these shoes. Together, I'm about to style these guys for you all. I'm so excited that this company decided to add luxury shoes to their website. This is the bottom of the shoes, made of a fine leather material. It does say Teddy Blake as well. All right, and now that I shared with you all these 2 items, beautiful items that I got from Teddy Blake, I'm going to go ahead and style the handbag for you all. I'll be right back. Alright family, I hope you guys love the 2 items that I shared with you all from Teddy Blake. Like I said, all the information that you need to know about this company and their handbag will be listed down in the description box down below. Make sure you go click that link, check them out. I do know that they do have sales going on right now. Do take advantage of the sales that's going on right now. And with that being said, thank you family, thank you all for sticking to the end of this entire video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care and remain blessed.